pumps, piston compressors, turbo machinery. They are at the heart of industrial process plants and are key to their economic efficiency and operational availability. As a one-stop provider of rotating equipment services, we at Bilfinger are experts for all types of pumps, turbines, and compressors. We are at your side right from the start, providing advice and seeking cost-effective solutions together for the entire life cycle of your machines. We perform all required maintenance work, and our repair team offers customers a comprehensive manufacturer-independent service with high-quality processes and state-of-the-art technologies. We start with a detailed damage assessment of all components. This allows us to find the cause of a breakdown and offer solutions. Using smart glasses, any location can connect to the Center of Excellence for Pumps in Frankfurt, Germany. This gives Bilfinger staff around the world access to our extensive expertise in damage analysis and guarantees time-efficient service and consistent quality. We ensure reliable operation in the final assembly of liquid ring compressors with accurate gap setting of the rotor package. In our certified workshops for testing and adjusting safety relief valves, we make another important contribution to the process safety of production facilities. Before being delivered to customers, pumps undergo a final inspection on the test bench. This process includes a leak test and verification of the required flow rate of repaired pumps. We service and repair turbo machinery and piston compressors directly at the customer's site. Thanks to our global resource network, we have access to trained service teams and special tools everywhere, enabling us to provide our customers with a manufacturer-independent and time-efficient service at consistent quality. We also offer the possibility to lease pumps, drive motors, or inverters for installation in the process plant or as a spare for the warehouse. From the initial production idea to continuous system optimization, we are the one-stop provider of cost-efficient solutions and a wide range of services. And in case of emergency, we support you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. With Bilfinger by your side, you can fully concentrate on your core business.